Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super important. Why eating healthy in Kenya isn't always easy, and more importantly, how we can fix it. If you ever struggled to eat nutritious meals, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Kenya is a country full of vibrant food culture, fresh produce, and diverse flavors. You'd think eating healthy would be a piece of cake, right? Well, not quite. The truth is, eating healthy here comes with some unique challenges. Let's break down the main reasons why it's not always easy. Healthy food can be expensive. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, they often cost more than the common staples like ugali, fried snacks, or processed foods. For many families, the priority is filling plates, not necessarily balancing nutrients. If you live in a city like Nairobi or Mombasa, you might have access to supermarkets and farmers markets, but in rural areas, fresh produce can be seasonal and limited. Plus, long supply chains mean prices go up or produce spoils before it reaches consumers. A lot of people don't have access to clear information about what constitutes a healthy diet. Sometimes traditional meals are carbohydrate heavy and lack enough protein, fiber, or vitamins. Without guidance, it's tough to make the best choices. Food is a part of culture and identity, and certain dishes are deeply loved. Changing eating habits isn't just about health, it's about respecting traditions while adapting them. For example, deep fried snacks like mandazi or chapati are popular but not the healthiest when eating daily. With urbanization, many Kenyans have hectic work schedules. This leads to reliance on fast food street food options that are quick but often high in unhealthy fats and sugars. So, how can we fix these challenges? Number one, promote affordable local foods. Kenya has amazing local foods like sukuma wiki, matoke, beans, and millet. Encouraging the consumption of these nutrient-rich and affordable staples is a great start. The second thing is to support smallholder farmers. By supporting small-scale farmers and improving supply chains, fresh produce can become more available and affordable across the country. Another thing is nutrition education. Schools, community programs, and media can play a huge role in educating people on healthy eating, meal planning, and cooking methods that retain nutrients. The fourth one is adapt traditional recipes. Simple tweaks like baking instead of frying, adding more vegetables, or choosing whole grains can make traditional dishes healthier without losing the taste of cultural essence. The other one is encouraging healthy convenience foods. Developing and promoting quick, healthy snack options can help busy Kenyans avoid unhealthy fast food. Eating healthy in Kenya isn't impossible. It just takes awareness, effort, and support from all of us. Whether you are cooking at home, shopping at the market, or eating out, small changes add up. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share your own tips or challenges with eating healthy here in Kenya in the comments below. Let's make healthy eating easy and accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.